Essay on Water Conservation. Water is a precious gift to humanity by nature. Life is possible only on earth because of water. 97% of all the water on the earth is salt water, which is not suitable for drinking. The left 3% of water is fresh, but out of which the 2% is also jammed by glaciers and ice caps. So only 1% is available for drinking water. We are dependent on just a small percentage of water, so it's our responsibility that we must not pollute it. Water conservation is the only way to solve the problem of water scarcity in the future. Those who destroy the water understand that this water will ruin you. It is right to say that small efforts of all people can give a big result, such as every drop of water can become a pond, river, and ocean. Since our lives are entirely dependent on water, it's our duty to think about water conservation. Water can also be conserved with the help of rainwater harvesting. Using latest or modern irrigation methods in the agricultural sector can also help in saving water. World Water Day is celebrated on March 22 in the whole world. Its main purpose is to make people aware of water conservation. Spring is the best season to plant a garden as during this season plants needs less water. It is also the duty of the people of the society that they should adopt different methods of water conservation. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.